Hi everybody, this is Joe's Premium Firewood, bringing another fun-filled, exciting video on this wonderful Sunday morning. And you know what Sunday means? The return of Ashton for Ashton Sunday. And in this video, you see the tool Ashton's holding.
The pinch-a-log.
Pinch-a-log. And what we're going to do is give a little demonstration of how it works, or how, how we plan on using it in the future. Because right now, it's not really practical for using it for the splitter. It's better for like loading the truck and stuff. And so what I got this simulated, like if Ashton and I were in the woods and I was cutting, and let's say we could only get the quad trailer load, pretend that's the quad trailer, only this close to the logs. So she's going to show how it works. But before she does that, Ashton, can you please give us an update on your ankle?
Oh, it's feeling a lot better. We had a dance last Saturday, I think, and I was jumping around and I came down on my foot wrong. It's all good now.
But she was wearing those stilettos.
I was barefoot.
Okay. Who's barefoot at what kind of dance was this?
A high school dance.
Yeah.
So everyone's barefoot.
Nobody's.
Everyone is barefoot.
Okay, we'll take your word for it, Ashton. You would think you were out like in playing in the mud or something, or being barefoot. But anyway, let's go. It's Delton. We're out in the sticks. So go ahead and give the folks a little demonstration how you would use this if we were out in the woods.
It's really cool. Picks it up. You don't have to bend over.
Yep. It's just like carrying a briefcase or something. Sets it in there, uses a release handle, and goes back for another piece. And while she's doing that, I could be running the saw. See, and those pokers are really sharp.
Yeah.
So you just make sure you don't hit your leg.
Yeah.
We don't need you missing any more time. Ashton's Army doesn't want to go another week without a video. What do you think, guys? Should we make another video to make up for last week? Why don't you let me know? Maybe I'll surprise you with a second video. See, hardly any effort, no bending over. We got the last piece right here. And there you go. Look how quick that was. I think that would be practical to use. We could take it out there with us and test it out. That'll be another video that we'll try. We'll actually be out in the field doing it. Hey Ashton, why don't you try hooking one up and walking it back over and throwing it like I did. Now she hasn't had luck at this, so because you're supposed to be able to throw them. So let's see. Just give her a good heave ho. There you go. You did it. Well, there's 4 more. We gotta make more than a 3-minute video, okay? I'm sure your fans will enjoy that. So what do you think, guys? Should we call you guys Ashton's Army? Oh, see?
There we go.
So it should be Ashton's Army, Ashton's Entourage, Ashton's Armada. There you go. But yeah, it's kind of hard to flip up, if you were doing it into a pickup truck or flipping it up high. And I can post a link on where you purchase this. I guess the tool's like $100. I think the main thing for it is like transporting. Trying to throw them up into a truck. I don't know about. There you go. Here, film me for a second, Ashton. Just go ahead. I want to try throwing one. So, let me see if I can get it, up into there. But yeah, I don't have to bend over, but, to get it far. So, that's how you do it, Takes a little bit of strength, I think the tongs, they go out to about 26 inches. You know, these are like 16-inch pieces. You can see how far it goes. So, nice little tool, you know. You'll be seeing it in more videos. Let me go ahead and take the camera real quick, Ashton.
Okay.
We'll wrap her up, but we're gonna come back. We got this truckload to deliver to a new customer. We're gonna come back and split this and then probably call it a day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.